Hi, welcome to the first installment of Discover Sounds. My name's Brian Baker with Gajube Magazine, and in this video series we'll be exploring different sounds and how they're being utilized in a recording, so hopefully we can make it interesting. First song we're going to explore has a couple interesting things in it. Homemade, or not really homemade instruments, but toy instruments. And this song was one I made last year. It's called Prior Squirm, and it was made in conjunction with a project that Hal McGee of Electronic Cottage put on, where he asked for pieces that lasted 1 minute for a compilation he was putting on archive.org. And in this song I just sort of first sat down with my acoustic, which is it's just a basic Alvarez acoustic mahogany acoustic guitar, and I just sort of sat down, and miking setup is sort of like this, nothing real fancy. I wanted to capture as much of the room as possible, so I didn't really close mic it or anything. I just sort of played something, improvised a sort of chord structure, and was playing around with harmonics, nothing real fancy. Then after I laid down the acoustic, I had been playing with some toy instruments, and I've got a sort of a shelf here. Let me show you. Got a shelf here in my studio of toy instruments, and I'll just pull out one or two. There's a toy sax that I play on this track, and the thing I really like is this toy xylophone. The xylophone is just and the sax, you know. And that's basically it. And then here's the song. It's called Prior Squirm. That's it for this installment of Discover Sounds. We'll see you next week.